Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Laura and today I'm going to share with you my holiday time glam makeup look. So you can see I already did my makeup. I really like it. Today's look is mostly made with Asian beauty products, so if you're interested in those, they're linked down below. Yeah. This took me quite a while to finish, so just let's get started immediately. If you really like this kind of makeup, glam makeup, glittery makeup, sparkly makeup, then this will be perfect for you. So I already did all of my skincare, so I prepared my skin for the makeup that's coming now. So since my skincare is done and my skin is prepared, I'm going to go in first with Nature Republic's concealer. I recently bought this on my trip in Korea and I've already been loving it. I just like pat it under my eye in kind of a V shape. I don't know why, it's just how I do it. And I have a few spots here and there for acne, so I'll put the extra on there and then here as well. But my skin has been treating me very nicely lately, I have to say. Then I go in with my CLIO Kill Cover Ampoule Cushion. It's color 2 in lingerie. Interesting name for a cushion, I guess. I've been using this already since the beginning of the summer. I've been loving it. I had this one and a refill. Now I'm using a refill, and I have to say the product lasts really a long time. So spread this out so everywhere has a little bit, and I also go over my eyes. I don't know if other people do that, but I always like to make everything look the same. And then since it matches my skin tone very well, I don't really need to blend it out that much to my neck. But anyways, just so it doesn't look different in normal light, I'm going to do it anyways. A bit more for my forehead. And voila, that's a base, you could say. After applying my what's it called, concealer and my foundation, I always like to go in with some powder to set it and to give me like a little bit of glow, and so my skin also doesn't get too oily during the day. I go in with this DECORTE, excuse me for my pronunciation, I don't know how to pronounce it. Super great product, and there's something inside the product which makes your skin retain the moisture, and it also gives moisture, although it's a powder. Next I'm going in with some blush. I'm using a tester that I got 2 years ago from Moonshot, but it still has product inside. It's Moonshot's Cream Paint Lightfit in the color Orange Lily. I've been using this both as lipstick or like a lip tint, as well as a, how do you say that, blush, because it's a multifunctional product, you could say. I have this INNISFREE Smart Drawing Strobing highlighter in the color 2, Peach Light. Sure, so you just push the tube until something comes out. Yes, there it is. I put it on my cheekbone. And also a bit on my nose. Voila. And only non-Korean or Asian beauty product I've been using recently is this brow pencil from CATRICE Cosmetics. It's not the best, it's not bad, it does its job, you could say. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the face part, and now we're going to move on to eyes. I have no idea how I'm going to do this in front of a camera, but I'll try my best. So today I'll mainly be using a new eyeshadow palette that I bought in Korea while I was there. It's Etude House Play Color Eye Palette in the color or like version Leopard Runway. I thought this was like the perfect combination of pink tones, gold tones, browns, and a little bit of reddish, because that works really nice with my my eye color, I would say. So as you can see, we've got a great variety of colors. I haven't really been using it yet. We've got some pinkish tones, light, and then we move on to beige copper tones, a little bit red, gold, brown, and black as well, which I won't use often, but maybe for eyeliner. And also I got two other eyeshadows at Etude House. Like, their eyeshadows are amazing, people. Like, it's really good. It's this Air Mousse eyeshadow in the color Gold Beach. This is not just only gold, it's a little bit champagne pinkish, has some pinkish pigmentation in it. It doesn't really turn up on camera that much. And then I also got Look at My Eyes Jewel eyeshadow in the color Shining Sherry. This one is quite bright. I was really surprised when I put it on my eyes, but it looks pretty. So if you want to make a statement, this is one to go for. As you can see, it has these hearts inside. It's a pinkish, warm pinkish tone. Really beautiful too. And then I might or might not be using, I don't know yet, this Free CE STYLENANDA Baby Doll eyeshadow. It's a creamy eyeshadow. You can see it like that. I actually got the wrong one. This is Babydoll, but the one I'll be using is probably the goldish ones. That's Baby Latte, which unfortunately broke, but it's amazing, this color. Oh no, it fell! So the first color that I'm going to go in with is this really light color. It's called The White. Very original. It's just to put a beige color that we can work with. So now we put like a base that we're going to work on with the other colors. Oh, I'm not very sure which colors I should do today, but I really want to have something very sparkly, very eye-catching. So I think next I'll go in with this color down here called Red Carpet. Oh no, it's Model Stab. Never mind, it's Model Stab. I was reading the wrong one. Do you guys also like to do like glam holiday makeup for Christmas, or you just prefer like sitting in your pajamas and everything? Because in my family we usually really dress up for Christmas because we have a nice party, not really party, like dinner with everyone. And we also go to church. I'm not very religious, but it was just like a family tradition to go to church together, and after that unpack presents. Next day you also dress up nicely and have like a big lunch and everything. So as you can see, this looks like that. I also going to put this underneath my eye. Et voila. So after my gold undertones, oh my gosh, my eye looks so red. I'm going to go in with this pinkish gold tone. This is called, let me see, Spotlight. Yeah, because it's good to stand in the spotlight sometimes. Very nice. And then last but not least, we're also going to go in with the darkest color to more accentuate my eye. That will be this color right here. That one is called, let me see, Leopard Pattern. That's a very fitting name. I'm also going to put a little bit of the pinkish color I used before on my lower eyelid. Very good. And then I also have this eye palette from Free CE. It's their 3CE multi-eye color palette in the color Overtake. This has been used a lot as well this year. And I really like these glittery colors, so I'll be going in with one of those as well. Voila. Then to highlight the inner corners of my eye, I have this Muji palette, which is really cheap but really good. This is my like daily palette, you could say. Just like that. And now comes the real sparkle. This is also a product I recently purchased. This is such a pretty box. It's from Etude House, the Mirror Holic Liquid Eyes eyeshadow. Looks like this, very shiny and glittery. So I'm going to put this on my upper eyelid, also below my eye, and make it very glittery, so it matches the festive atmosphere we're going for today. Then before we finish this look with some final touches like lipstick, I'm going to use for the first time ever fake eyelashes. I've only once ever tried to put them on before and it was a total failure. So I really hope today this will work, because I think it will really like up your look 10 times. These are my beauty tool eyelashes, number 5 Open Eye by Etude House, also purchased in Korea. So after a lot of struggle, I was able to put them on. They look quite nice, although my skills putting on eyelashes are not that good. We'll use this eyeliner tonight. This is the 3CE Super Slim Pen Eyeliner in color brown. Just like this. It's so weird to wear long eyelashes. I feel like my lashes are heavy. It's really weird. And then finally, mascara, just a cheap one from CATRICE. Et voila! The only step that rests us is putting on our lipstick. I think this one will actually be perfect. It's DIOR's Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm, so it's not actually lipstick, in the color Coral 204. This has like pink and orangey gold tones in it, so I think it's perfect for this look. Okay, so that's all for today's look. I really hope you liked it. This is the final result. It's not too over the top, but it's very glam for a person who likes natural makeup like me. I hope you liked this video, that you try it out by yourself. And also, if you have any questions about the products I just asked or about makeup, please feel free to comment down below. Click also the like button because it really helps my channel, and please kindly consider subscribing. I put out at least one video a week, sometimes 2, about Japanese culture, life in Asia, about my travels here, like culture shocks, culture stuff, as well as beauty and skincare, because that's something I'm really passionate about. So yeah, I'll hope to see you in my next video as well. Hope you like this video. See you next time.